I have taken it apart. It wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be, but it's a little daunting looking at it and trying to figure out what we have to do. If we can get the Bunky up this year, I will be so thrilled. In terms of the railing around the house, around the playhouse, if we get it done this year before hardcore winter hits, I'll be very pleased. If not, we'll do it first thing in the spring before our little munchkins start running around and jumping off it. This is a really nice spot. It's beautiful here. In the summer, you've got the fire pit area there, sparky. There'll be a bench here, and that fire pit is going to be, it's going to be a planter. So it's going to be nice eventually. So I ended up taking this thing apart. So it had been leaning against this poor tree here. I just, yeah, couldn't see it anymore there. So I took it apart and just to tidy it up a bit. I think I'm gonna go in now, have my lunch and see how much time I have left. I hope I have enough to sort out the posts. It's a bit, not chilly, but fresh this morning. So yesterday my battery died, so I couldn't videotape, but I supported underneath all of the skirt. So there's 2x4 behind, so it's not going to go anywhere. This was tricky to do because I had to get under the playhouse. I looked at it from here, and between these two pieces, although they're different, they don't look bad. So I think what I'm going to do is keep it as is, and if it bothers me at some point in the future, then I will switch it. Because it's in an area that I won't always see, it may not bother me. It'll be rare that I see it. So this I still have to put, sorry, we had a storm last night, so I'm picking up twigs. But over here I still have to put the support. I'm not sure if I'm going to do one there and there. They move a little bit, so I'm not sure. Anyway, the supports are done in this area here as well. I did not do the supports here. I want that piece for us to be able to remove it if we want to store anything in there. So what I'm going to do is try and figure out a way on how to accomplish that. So essentially this is done. I will get to the 2x2s as time allows. The weather's going to start getting colder. They're calling for snow next weekend. I think it's going to be 4 degrees, and that's the weekend that we have scheduled to work on the Bunky. So I don't know how that's going to pan out. I will videotape this so you can see. I have to remove that panel and then just cut and anchor the piece in there. So I'll videotape for that separately, and then after this I'm gonna go over there and work on the Bunky framing. Oh my goodness. I did it. So these have to be cut down to size. Yeah, they have to be cut down to size. So, but it's all lining up. It's squared. So I'm really pleased. I'm so glad I have it done. I'm not sure whether we're supposed to put the plywood on there. So this isn't going to stay as is. The 4x4 is going to be what's going to be anchoring the bunkie, as well as here and there. I just put the other stuff on there to get it off the ground because I'm not going to be here for another week. So excited, and I'm really pleased with the amount of room that we have here. Like, I'm pretty happy with this. It'll be a nice deck. We'll be able to put 2 chairs here. It leaves lots of room to walk around here to eventually there. So I'd like at some point to fill this up. It's a drop of probably 18 inches. So we need lots of that kind of stuff to fill it up. Yeah, so I've been hearing all sorts of things. Didn't realize that the time changed, so I'm an hour behind. Yeah, so I have to skedaddle and get my you-know-what out of here because, yeah, it's going to get dark sooner than I thought. So, yeah. Anyway, now that we look at it from here, so much better than having that big platform there. Such a busy and productive weekend. I'm so proud of myself. I'm gonna get going down. I don't want to be driving in the dark. Have a good evening.